How do you use energy to heal with your hands? When you are using your hands, they are nothing more than antennae. The energy you are outputting in terms of healing is that of intention. But the body receives energy from more than just the hands. The meridians of the body move energy to and from different chakras around the body along different paths to create balance and continual movement of that energy. Overall, the general movement of the body's auric energy travels in one direction, in the left side, out the right side. You can push energy out an incoming pathway, but personally I feel this is less potent for me. It may or not be the same for others. So, the chakras are the energy centers. We have 6 primary chakras inside the body: the root, sacral, solar, heart, throat and third eye. There are many more above and below us, connecting us to the universe as a fractal matrix. The palm chakra is a minor one but a powerful one. This is what we use to direct energy towards a goal in the real world. As you may know, all of everything is energy, and that energy in the material world, i.e. when viewed with consciousness in the third dimension, has form. All forms have their own frequency. Pure energy has its own frequency. One of these you may know of as love, another as gratitude. They aren't just words for emotions. They are very real, measurable forces of energy, albeit a much more subtle energy. The chakra system also is sort of the pathway of consciousness itself, and has its own journey from source through the oversoul, through the higher self and to our human vessel, and back again. It's a constant cycle. When you live as a Reiki master, you are with every breath breathing in love and breathing out love, but you can choose with your consciousness what frequency you are transporting through the body and out into the real world, i.e. over a person who is sick. Reiki at a very basic level is moving love, which heals parts of the body that are not currently receiving love. This is what does the healing. So here is what is happening. You are simultaneously breathing in, absorbing from the earth and receiving pure universal love energy through the hands and feet, and to a degree the heart itself. This energy is carried through the body's meridian systems, passing through the chakras, and is distributed into your own organs. When you breath out, you are transporting this back into the earth, out the hands, out of the heart's field, etc. Now, the body is always moving energy anyway, so putting your right hand over something is always going to push out energy, and as energy leaves us on one side, it gets replenished from the left side. We also absorb this energy from the feet, as sort of shown in the above torus image. Again, it's a cycle. Now, what is happening inside the body as energy flows can get complicated, because as it moves through us, it picks up our own internal frequencies and adds them to the eventual output. If our bodies are not living in love and harmony, we can project our frequencies onto the person being healed. This can cause problems if you don't know what you are doing. Because if your left hand is going over someone who is sick, their energy is carrying a frequency of disharmony, and if you are trying to heal someone with bad lungs, your lungs can pick up this damaged frequency and it can get stuck in us. This is why it is so important to live in as close to a harmonious state as possible. Masters of frequency can choose what energy frequency to project into reality, and obviously this includes exiting the right side. Not only can you choose the frequency, you can change the meaning behind it. This is where the holistic approach can be very important. Do you want to heal the person's symptoms or heal the person? The basic practitioner can move the energy of love and harmony and heal themselves of any disharmony whilst doing so, but the person being healed is only being healed of a symptom of disharmony and not healing the root that causes the disharmony. So if you choose the intent behind the energy, you can add stipulations and meaning to it. For example, heal the disharmony in the lungs, and when this job is finished, carry that healing frequency out along the roots of this disharmony and let the subconscious and higher self aid the processing of this disharmony until there is no longer any threat to the highest vibrational, most harmonious vessel. Do this with every breath. Can you see here how it is not the energy alone but the consciousness behind the energy that does the healing? It's not just the hands are merely tools we use to direct and program energy using our own minds.